New to the line is our new ceramic coated nonstick aluminum pots. This pot set has been in the line for a while. It was just hard anodized, and what we've done now is added this very durable, scratch resistant ceramic coating. You can use your metal spatula and spoon to stir with. Food just literally slides right out of it, and it's very good for high temp situations, especially with like a frying pan where you're trying to make pancakes and eggs and bacon. We have the flex skillet. We have the solo pot, which is ceramic. It's 1.3 liters. All the pots also come with the talon handle, which comes on and off very easily for ease of stowing and cleaning. We've got the Alpinist, which is 2.5 liters. And lastly on the line is we've got the 2 pot set, which is 2.5 liters, but also includes a 1.5 liter as well. Some of the crossover benefits of adding the ceramic nonstick to this aluminum pot set is it lends itself really well to backpacking, as well as like picnic table style cooking on your two burner. The ceramic doesn't add any extra weight, so it still is really great for backpacking. But it's primarily for people who want to cook kind of real world food on and off the trail.
Thank you.